Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact range you want to color, for example A2, A100. Once selected, open Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule and choose, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter a simple test formula, such as equals A2 equals done, so Excel evaluates relative references from the first cell in your selection. Make sure your active cell matches the top left of the range. This determines how relative addresses are applied when Excel evaluates each cell. Now focus on formula correctness and why anchors matter. Use $ to fix column or row when needed. For instance, equals $A2 keeps column a constant while row adjusts. Try numerical or logical examples. Equals A2 100 colors numbers above 100, equals mod row, 2 equals 0 creates zebra stripes, and equals and B2 0, C2 equals yes, combines conditions. Once the formula is entered, click Format to choose Fill Color and Preview. Make sure your formula returns true for cells that should be colored. Finish by opening Conditional Formatting Manage Rules to confirm the applies to range and rule order. Rules on top take precedence. Once done, make sure Workbook Calculation is automatic so formulas update. Otherwise, colors appear stale. If results are wrong, check relative versus absolute references and whether your formula returns true for the intended cell. For stubborn cases, use Evaluate Formula or copy the formula into a helper cell to see its output. That quickly reveals reference errors or logic mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.